Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Henry Stickmin me. I pretty like the Henry Stickmin series. I like watching them. They're pretty fun. I've only played infiltrating the airship and fleeing the complex. Because I do not have a computer. I only have a phone and a tablet, and on mobile you can only play infiltrating the airship and fleeing the complex. Anyway, you want this face and these sorry, none of those, and keep it pale. So everything's standard except the face, like the face shape. Make them bald. These eyebrows and these positions has a little bit of a funny twist here. Pause the video anytime you need to and make them black. And for the eyes, you want these eyes and these positions, and just keep them black because I don't think it changes anyway. Nah, just keep it black, save some time. So it's a bit of a funny twist here because those eyes don't tilt enough and can't get long enough, whereas the eyebrows can. So the eyebrows are the eyes and the eyes are the eyebrows. It's funny. Funny, isn't it? Want this nose and these positions because we're going to hide the nose. This mouth and these positions. So yeah, the eyes and the eyebrow switch was thingy was just that was the only twist. Oh yeah, and it doesn't matter what colour, I just kept it that because it saves some time. Oh, whoops, sorry. No facial hair. You want a mole though, in these positions. That's just to change the mouth shape, so that's going to connect to the mouth. Male. Body roughly about that. No glasses. Favourite colour black. You can do lots of names. Stickmin or Henry S or H. Stickmin. I just did Henry S. I'm done. You've made a Henry Stickmin me. And you just got distracted.